Okay guys, so today I'm going to show you how to replace your recoil pull cord on your Toro Personal Pace lawnmower. So to do that guys, we'll need to remove this cover so we can get to the recoil assembly, and we'll need to remove these two Torx screws, which will require a Torx T20. So let's get that done guys. Next step guys, we'll just go ahead and remove our oil dipstick, and then we'll come to the front of the panel guys and just pop that forward while lifting. So there we go guys, so we can just set that aside. So the next step guys, we'll need to remove the three 8mm bolts so we can remove the assembly guys. So now guys, we'll just set these screws aside. So now guys, we'll come up to our handle where we pull our string guys and just remove it from this housing here by pushing the string under there, and then we can just release that guys. So now that is out the way guys, we can just remove our plastic housing. So now guys, we can just go ahead and remove the complete starter recoil assembly, and we can replace our cord guys. Okay guys, so now we'll just pull our handle out a bit and cut this old cord away guys. Then we can fully pull our cord out. And then we'll just remove our string like this guys. Remove the old cord. So here's the reason for me changing my pull cord guys. As you can see, it's starting to fray, and at any given time it will pop whenever trying to start the mower guys. So always inspect your pull cord and all other parts of your mower. Okay guys, so now that we got our new pull cord, we'll just tie a knot at the end here. Okay guys, so the next step is to line up the hole where the cord go through the housing right here and come through our pulley, and then we'll want to make 7 turns on that guys. So there we are, so we'll just make 7 turns. So that's 1, that's 2, that's 3, that's 4, that's 5, that's 6, So we're basically getting 6 turns on this one, guys, so we'll just work with these 6 turns. Then the next step is to get the cord without the knotted end and push it through the hole, guys, so we can get it to go back through the housing. And you can use a screwdriver, guys, just to hold that in place. Let me get a screwdriver. So now that we got the screwdriver holding that in place, guys, we'll just grab our cord and push it through the hole so we can get it through the housing, guys. And we need to rotate it back a bit for it to line up. So we just want to hold our pulley and remove our screwdriver and slowly turn it to where it will align. So now we just got to feed it through there, guys. So there we go, guys. And I can just use my needle nose to grab that. And then we can feed it through there, guys. And then we can just pull it all the way through. Please don't forget, guys, to remove the old cord from your handle. Okay, guys, so now that we got the string routed back through our housing, we can remove our screwdriver. And then we'll just let the spring retract halfway of the 6 turns, which will be 3 turns, guys. So we'll just retract the spring 3 turns. That's 1, 2, 3. And I'll use my vice grip here, guys, just to hold the string in place while we get our handle installed. So you just want to lightly clamp on that, guys, with your vice grip. And then we can grab this end, guys, get our handle, run it through the handle, guys. Then we can go ahead and tie our knot on this end. And then we can just pull that back into the housing, guys, making sure that it's secure. So now we can remove our vice grip, guys, and release the complete spring tension. So next we'll just go ahead and install this back onto the mower. So let's get that done, guys. So now, guys, we'll just reinstall our housing. And install our 3 bolts. So next step, guys, we'll just install our housing cover, bringing our pull cord handle through this space provided. Remember the front here has a clamp, guys. Just make sure that's clamped in and you know when you pull on the front. And then we can just get our screws back in, guys. And please remember, these are T20 Torx. No need to over tighten these, guys, as they go into plastic and you do not want to strip that out. So now, guys, we can just pull our handle up to our handlebar, and then we just get our string through this groove provided, guys, the little space provided, or cord through there, and that's it, guys. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Thanks to all our viewers, thanks to all our subscribers. God bless you all.